Greetings. It's literally just, oh, rainbow. It's literally just started raining as I got my camera out. It's a rainbow. What a lovely way to start a video. I'm on set today, which is really exciting. It's the first time I've actually been on set this year, and I'm shooting something quite cool. I'll tell you about it in a second. But the good thing is, I live about 2.5 minutes from here. So this morning I woke up and my call time's at 9:30. You really relax. Often my call time's earlier than that, and that's right across London or even out of London. So I went to the gym this morning, I kind of had a really relaxed morning, and then just turned up to a few streets away from my house. I spent the entire morning in a bathroom. Let me introduce you to my top lip and also to the rest of my face. So we're about to go, oh, stuck on my little stubbly stuff now. We're about to go into November, right? And I'm sure most of you know this by now, but if you don't, there is a charity called Movember, where basically on the last day of October you shave and then you let your moustache grow throughout November to raise money, predominantly for male mental health. I'm going to go inside because it's actually starting to come down now. Look, here's everyone getting their stuff together, moving it all inside. I haven't seen me cleanly shaven for so long. By the way, how cool is this location? It's just someone's house and there's cats here. I haven't met this cat yet, but the other cat's really friendly. Do you want to say hi to me? Oh, you're friendly too. I spent the entire morning in this bathroom. Just trying to shave, you know, on your own is great, but when you've suddenly got 11 people watching you on screen and you're doing it in this bathroom, which is really beautiful, suddenly there's a lot of pressure. The other cat just came to say hi, but unfortunately we're now back at it. Lunch break's over, so going back downstairs. Sorry, little cat. I'm home and I'm exhausted. I tried to film some stuff there, but I've got no idea what footage I got because actually it was a really hectic shoot. I think because of the COVID guidelines, we're all trying to social distance and wearing masks. In fact, I'm the only one who didn't have to wear a mask all the time, and that was only because I was on camera. And there was also a lunch break where we were allowed to sort of down masks before we all sort of dispersed. So with all the new rules and the fact that we were in a confined space, I mean, the bathroom I was filming in was tiny. So it's kind of like a one in, one out policy. So you need the sound guy in and out, and the focus puller and the camera operator and the director, and it all took a long time. Besides the fact it's quite a technical shoot anyway, because we were shooting me shaving, and obviously I've only got one beard, and once it's shaved off, you can't reshoot. And plus, that was only half of the shot in the first place. We did that first, and then went to like an interview situation kind of thing, where the director was off camera asking me questions and I was answering them. I just think it's such a brilliant campaign. You know, it's such a worthy cause, and it's so easy to get involved with. And if you have watched me for any length of time, you'll know that I'm quite vocal about my mental health. Not like in a preachy way. I don't. I'm not looking for points. I'm not trying to garner any sympathy or anything like that. It's just that I want to normalise the conversation. For so long, men haven't been able to talk about this stuff because it's been a sign of like weakness or whatever. And I think that's why Gillette chose to work with me, because one, I can talk to camera because I do it for a living, but also I've been very open about my mental health for a long time. And I've experienced it. Anyway, I'm back home, I'm exhausted. That's all I have to tell you. I guess I'll see you tomorrow. I'm going to do like a video that'll go over the course of a few days, because I'd meant to vlog today, but actually it just was so busy I didn't get a chance to. So you get bonus content. I'm going to see you tomorrow. Every time I walk past the mirror, I'm so shocked at the way I look because I'm so used to having a beard. Anyway, I've had a very busy day today, and subsequently have a very busy brain. I spent pretty much all day in a very long meeting with my business partner, talking about scripts that I'm writing and TV shows that we're working on and stuff. And now I feel like I've got a million things to do. And this is what I do. When I've got a million things to do, I do none of them because I just run around in circles and panic. So, here's what we're going to do. We're going to do pumpkins with Sarah, because Sarah's good at chilling me out, and she just went and nipped to the shop and got some pumpkins. Only we're not carving pumpkins, apparently. We're painting them, which is exciting.
Maybe this is more... I'm not gonna lie to you and pretend it's because I'm more sustainable. I actually just saw it on Pinterest and thought it looked nice. But I think it is more sustainable to do it this way.
In what way?
Because if you carve them, you can obviously carve out the insides, but a lot of it goes to waste. Whereas I think if we paint them, I can still get most of the inside out and make like a soup.
Okay, cool. Yeah, great.
Maybe.
Well, do you think those paints will just stick to it? I feel like that won't work. I think, well...
Look, I looked on Pinterest.
We'll work it out.
And that's what it said.
Okay, cute. These pens are really hard to get working. You have to shape them loads first, and then like get all the nib to like, you know, get saturated with the ink. So far we've got
I got the best colours.
3 done. I've got my hands full of them. Okay, so I just went downstairs because my neighbour knocked on the door and I had a parcel of hers. And I've come back and Sarah has started drawing what she says are ghosts, but what I believe to be sperm.
Don't spoil it.
We have like fine liners, which is making it very hard to colour in. I'm attempting to do like one of those dinosaur skeleton type puzzle things, you know what I mean? I've got like this image up. Oh, where's the image gone? Got this image up for reference, which I'm loosely following because it's Halloweeny, right? Dinosaur is scary. Skeletons are dead things. It's Halloweeny, but really tricky to use these pens on a pumpkin. We've been at it for a while now. To be fair, I only started about 10 minutes ago, and I was waiting for the black and white to be free because Sarah was using it.
Not sperm now.
That's a whole load of sperms.
No, it's not. It's ghosts.
It's cute though. Must confess, the novelty has started to wear off. What are you up to there, Sarah? What are you doing? Spiders?
Let's not look at how bad mine is compared to yours.
That's cute. That's very Halloweeny. And then we've got the seaman, still living at large. My dinosaur's coming on. Just got the tail to do. It's really weird drawing on like a 3-dimensional canvas that also leaks a bit when you push too hard. And then in the meantime, we have Sarah's making dinner at the same time. She's multitasking. We're having Mexican. Here's the corn, and we've got like veggie.
We're gonna have. I have put some sweet potato in the oven. I'm gonna do it like Oaxaca, where you have it all kind of caramelized, and I'll put some feta in.
Nice.
What else am I going to do? Chop up some peppers, roast them with like chipotle, might add some jalapenos in. I'm going to make it up as I go along, to be honest.
Cool. Basically, veggie Mexican. They look so cute down there. Well done, Sarah. What a feast! We have some quesadillas and some padron peppers here, some regular bell peppers here. This is one of my favourites. It's literally just sweet corn, coriander, feta, and some lime juice, mango and avocado salsa, and then some sour cream. I did nothing, I'm really sorry.
You did
I was really busy. Good morning, it's Wednesday. We are doing the times puzzle, as we do most mornings. We're stuck on this one. We've made quite good time. We're at 9 minutes 23 seconds. But actually we've been stuck on this one for about 4 of those minutes. We did the rest of it. It is large, plain, 8 letters. We've got air something. I can't think of the rest.
Liner?
Ooh, go on. Yeah, well done. Welcome to my office. I actually have a really busy day today. I'm about to film a YouTube video. I know I'm filming a video right now, but I'm filming another one. I just felt like having like a really honest adult conversation, so I've asked the internet to ask me questions. But they're questions that I've usually avoided answering because they're like awkward or uncomfortable or whatever. And I just thought, you know what, I've been doing this for 10 years now. And it's changed so much, so I thought I'd address that and have like an honest conversation. So I'm about to film that, but I'd quite like it to go up today, which means I have to edit it and upload it, and I have the slowest internet, like genuinely takes me all day, and sometimes all night as well to upload, and it's already 10 AM now. Shouldn't take too long to film, but then I have to edit and upload, so it might not go up today. So I did get the video up in the end. That was yesterday. I discovered that tethering to my phone just made it so much quicker. It actually went up in like 45 minutes. Luckily, I have unlimited data on my phone, and the feedback has blown my mind. I was not expecting it. If you watched it, it would have been up, I don't know, whenever it went up. It went up yesterday for me. By the time you watch this, I'm not sure when that will be. But it was really heartwarming. The amount of nostalgia I had while filming it was wonderful. Like I just had the most joyous walk down memory lane while I was filming it, and the number of people that have commented on it saying, "Oh my god, you were my childhood," has just really hit home. For me, it was just a ball. You know, we were just running around the world, causing mischief and having fun, and it was such good-natured energy, and it was just like an adventure, and it was wonderful. And at the time, I didn't really think about the impact I was having on my young audience, and my young audience aren't young anymore. You know, they're adults now, and the amount of them that have commented, going, "Oh my god, you've really taken me back." It has just been really playing on my mind in the most wonderful way. So thanks very much for your kind thoughts. I really now want to like get some of my friends' thoughts on it. I'd love to do a video with Marcus or Louise or someone and go down memory lane with them, because, you know, we're bonded for life on that experience. Anyway, I feel like I've been in this room for 2 days straight because I've been filming and editing non-stop, and I need to get out. I actually went out last night. I needed to escape for a bit, and I went for dinner with Sarah's dad, Gary, because we're talking about like wedding planning and stuff, and he got me quite drunk. I'm feeling very content and warm and fuzzy inside, like I just said, but also quite hungover. What are your thoughts on me watching anime?
I hate it.
I'm watching a new show called Blood of Zeus, or Zeus's Blood or something. To be honest, I'm not really paying much attention to it. I quite like anime as something that I just have on in the background, just as a sort of noise. I like fantasy. Sarah only likes things that are grounded in real life. Animation.
You really give me a bad rep. I can speak for myself here.
Oh, okay, go on. Go on.
Hello, best friends.
Oh, you're such a bitch.
I don't like mental sci-fi that's just like so unrealistic, because I just can't get over the fact that it's not real. So like Star Wars, I'm just too busy sat there going, how are they flying? Like, that's not real to enjoy it. But Jim likes proper wacky, like really out there stuff. Cartoons particularly, I'm looking at it as we're going.
Yeah, I mean, I quite like anime as like just a time to switch off and like. I like fantasy. This one's based on Greek mythology, which I find really interesting. Quite like the animation. It's bonkers, a lot of it, and it's not. I'm not really watching it for like the story as such, more just the entertainment. And I also quite like the gory deaths that happen. That's Zeus.
We have fun growing old together when we don't like the same show.
I'm finally out of the house. I'm now on my way to a boxing lesson. I feel like I haven't left the house for like 3 days because I've just been in that office filming and editing things, and I've got like massive cabin fever. And it's also kicked off my anxiety a little bit. I'm one of those people that needs to be out and about. I need to stretch my legs. I need to work out. I haven't trained all week. This is my first session this week, just because I went on Monday morning actually, so I need my second session this week. But I need to be active to keep my brain doing things, and because I've been in that one space, I've been really busy, but quite stagnant as well, and it's kind of set off my mood pattern. I can feel it all shifting and making me feel a bit negative. Weirdly, it's about work, which is strange because we've had no work on all year. It's my job, I'm basically a freelancer, right? I've had nothing on all year, and suddenly it's really picked up, which is wonderful, and I really hate complaining about it, but I think it's because it's picked up and suddenly it went from 0 to 100, and now I've got quite a lot of work on. I'm terrified that it's not going to do very well, or that it's not going to go anywhere and it's all going to be game over, and I think maybe it would have been better for me to like kind of ramp up rather than just sort of charge in. However, very fortunate to be working. I need to remember that, because lots of people that don't have, lost their jobs or whatever. So I do need to have a bit of perspective, but it's kind of messed with my head a little bit and sort of messed with my mojo. Sarah's picked up on it. She's like, "Are you all right?" I'm like, "Yeah, just dealing with some stuff." Man, these pretzels are really good. Where are they from? M&S. M&S salted giant pretzels, but they are deadly because they're like really hard and brittle, and they do want to cut your gums to shreds, but it's so good. Listen to the crunch.
Do you remember that game we played when we were in New York, when we were in coffee shop, and then we kept playing it for ages where you hum it and you had to guess the song.
Yeah, go on, do one.
Bum, 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 ba-da-dum.
Oh, Elton John, Benny and the Jets.
Yeah.
Ah,
That's a good intro.
yeah.
You got one, you ready?
Well, I can't think, it's amazing how when you're put on the spot for this game, you forget every song you've ever heard. And I can't think of the intro for this song, so you're going to get like the chorus, I think. Okay. And you have to do a ba or a da, the only noise you can make, right? Okay. I can't think of how it goes. The pressure on the camera's off. Ba-da-da-da-da-da. Ba-da-da-da-da-da.
Taylor Swift.
Oh, how did you get that from that?
Everybody got bad blood.
How did you get that from what I was doing?
Because it's a great song. Catchy.
Okay, you go now.
Okay.
And I'm going to end this video because it must be quite long now.
Oh.
I got some shine. I mean, listen, it's ba and da. Don't warble. Don't be really good at it.
I wouldn't say that. I feel like I'm going to listen to that back and it's really nasal.
Don't be really good at it. Just ba and da.
I'm
See,
quite nasal.
if I did that, it would have been ba da da da, ba da 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 da. You're too good. Stop it. End the video for me.
Should I do a gym end?
If you can. I don't know if you've got it in you actually.
That's a gym end.
Okay, go on then. Say thanks everyone for watching.
Thanks everyone for watching. I really appreciate it. Hit the subscribe button down below.
Is that your goodbye?
That's what you do.
That is not what I do.
You do like a...
That's not at all
You do
right.
like a horse click.
No!
Boy.
No, I don't. Thank you for watching. I've enjoyed hanging out with you all week. It's been quite a turbulent week. There's been ups and downs, emotional highs and lows, but I appreciate you. Hopefully you've made it this far into the video so you can find out how I actually sign off. Thank you very much, and I'll see you very soon. Goodbye.